You've had a wonderful day. You've been moving throughout your day and have been energized and feeling vital. Now, though, we need to calm the body and prepare it for sleep. It's really important that we take this time to mentally calm down our minds, bring the blood down from the head, and ease the body back into sleep. So we begin by starting with the head, calming, massaging, nurturing, moving around on our head. And then we move down into a series of exercises that go from energized to very, very calm, and they nourish our kidneys. We begin with combing the hair. And unlike during the day where you think about combing the hair as revitalizing and energizing, I want you to envision that you are combing off all the stress of the day. With each stroke, you are combing down into the earth any strain or tension. You will be invigorating the scalp. You will be bringing the blood flow. The intention of calming, though, will allow the mind and body to start relax. So it's this beautiful duality where we're moving the blood and letting it go where it needs to go, while at the same time calming and releasing tension in our bodies. So beginning with the combing, you can do it seated in the chair like you did earlier, or you can go ahead and stand and comb. For this, you really, again, want to make sure that you're doing all parts of your hair, of your head, working from the hairline at the back all the way to the hairline at the front. You can choose to comb upright first and then go down. Whichever is easiest, alternating is always best. You will find with regular practice which works best for you. Comb an even number of strokes, whatever feels best for you. You might do 18, you might do 36, you might do 48. Whatever you want to do, just do that nice combing pattern. And then you'll do the combing upright. So you're going to go ahead and bring the comb, working along all parts of the scalp, from the top to the back, from the front to the back. And use both hands. It's good to do that cross brain. So make sure that you're using both hands as you go all the way across. After you do the combing, we have a massage which is going to relax the head, relax the face, and bring, kind of the blood centered back down into the core to help you ease in for the night. We begin by massaging on the brow, placing your thumbs on your temples. Bring your fingers towards the inside part of your eyebrow. And it'll look like this. You're just going to sweep out. And we'll do this an odd number of times. I like to do 12, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you can close your eyes as you do all of these exercises. The next exercise is you're going to put your right thumb on the right temple and your left thumb on the left. Bring your fingers towards just to rest on your forehead. And you're going to just massage your temples. Just rolling around, massaging around. Breathing deeply and easily. And you can massage for 30 seconds. Allowing the tension to release in the temples. Breathing softly. Close your eyes and press. The next massage is hair raking. So just like you did in the morning, except we're not going to sweep the thumbs back over. We're literally just going to imagine as we rake through our hair, just releasing off all the tension that comes. You don't actually have to flick your hands out. You can just massage back and bring the hands up. But just imagine the tension leaving your body. And let's do one more. Now we're going to be sweeping down our arms. This lets us release and let all of the energy from the day flow off. Again, we're looking at calming the body, letting the blood know how, kind of that flowing movement, because that's really what gives us our dark hair, our beautiful, luxuriant hair. It is this letting go of tension as well as invigorating blood flow. So go ahead and just take your left hand and have your right palm facing up, and you're just going to sweep down. We'll do this 12 times. There are a lot of beautiful meridian points, which many of you know about here. Our heart, our pericardium, and those are the organs which are pumping and moving our blood during the day. This helps us release heat and ensure that we have the calm flow of qi and blood. Let's do the same on the other side. Left arm extended, and we'll sweep down 12 times. 10, 11, and 12. And we're going to end the massage sequence with just massaging around. Imagine you've just got a little bit of a circle around your belly button. And we're going to just press one hand on top of the other, massaging 12 times in one direction. And then the other. And release. Beautiful. The final calming down that we have is this beautiful sequence called Kidney Jing Essence Flow. It's this flow for inner vitality. We start with a very energetic moving of our qi, and then we go to a calmer moving of the qi down to a standing meditation that just enables us to calm the body. And it nourishes, all of the exercises are designed to really work on the kidneys. It nourishes and gives you that beautiful flow of energy along the kidney region. And let's go ahead and begin. We start with a move called Bear with Wise Owl on the head. And this is a posture where we envision we're this big, huge bear that has all the qi of the world between our paws. The owl on our head keeps us upright, reminds us of the wisdom and the beauty that we have in the world around us. You have your hands, right hand will be on top first and the left hand will be underneath. You can have a small ball or you can have a larger ball. And what you're going to do, feet about shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, spine is straight, tailbone coming to the ground, weight in your heels. You're going to inhale to the right. And your head, you're not going to turn your neck extra. You're going to keep your head aligned with the center of your torso. And you're going to inhale to the right. You'll move your weight into the right foot a little. As you do that, as you turn. When you're here at the right, you're going to shift and bring your left hand on top, right hand on the bottom. And you're going to now exhale, pulling with your left hand over to the left, leaning into the left foot a little bit. Remember to keep the spine straight. You always want to have the centers of your palms facing each other. These are our Lao Gong points, and they're a wonderful pericardium point that keeps you calm and centered. It's this huge source of energy for us. So as you have just pulled over with the left hand, you're going to now switch again. The right hand is on top again, and you're going to inhale to the right. switch the hands, exhale to the left. I'll do it slowly one more time. Inhaling, pulling to the right. Exhaling, pulling to the left. All right, let's go ahead and do the full movement. And we're going to go ahead and do 18 times. One count will be one, both sides. Let's begin. Hands with the lao gong points facing each other. Weight in the heels, spine is straight. Inhale right, exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And close your chi. The next move is called moving the chi. Here it's really important to use your imagination. You want to imagine your chi here in your lower dantian. It's a ball of light, and you're going to be moving that chi up the back of your body to the top of your head as you inhale. And as you exhale, you move the chi down the front of your body back to the lower dantian. As you do this, you are going to be moving the hands. As you inhale, so starting with the shoulders, you're going to lift your hands up to shoulder height. The spine is straight, tailbone tucked, and the weight in your heels. So you're going to inhale the hands up, and at the top, you're going to make sure you flatten the hands out. So the fingers might be curved, and then you flatten them out. Then you exhale, pulling your shoulders back first, drop your elbows, and then bring the hands down and flatten the hands at the bottom. So it looks like inhaling up, flatten the hands at the top. Curl the fingers and start pulling from the shoulder blades, then the elbows, then the wrists and hands, and flatten down. And we're going to go ahead and do that 8 times. Inhaling up, seeing the chi move up your spine. Exhale, bring the chi down the front of your body. 1. Inhale up. Exhale, draw the shoulders back. Bring the elbows and hands down. 2. Inhale up. See the chi moving down the front as you exhale. 3. And up the back as you inhale. Keep your weight in your heels to protect your lower back and ground you. 4. 5. Really relax down. 6. Releasing all the tension, seeing the chi move. Inhaling up. Exhale, drop down. 7. And last time, inhale up. Draw in with the shoulders, then the elbows and the hands, and press down. All right, the last move is embracing the Tao. And for this, you are going to have your left hand on the inside, your right hand on the outside, and you're going to cross at your wrist. Actually have the wrist touching. And you're going to be making a big ball, like you're hugging all of the chi and energy in the universe. And you're just keeping it grounded in towards you. And you're going to have your feet about hip width apart, knees slightly bent, weight in the heels. And we're going to inhale and exhale 6 times. Just slow, deep abdominal breaths, breathing in from the bottom up and exhaling from the top down. So your gaze, your eyes are almost closed. You're gazing far off into the horizon. If you're in a room Imagine a horizon that you would love to be gazing out toward. If you have a beautiful view, try and look out, although at night you might not see so much. So just imagine. Bring your hands up, and you're going to inhale and exhale for 1. Inhale and exhale for 2. Inhale and exhale 3. Inhale and exhale 4. If you can breathe longer, or if you need to breathe shorter, go at your own pace. Inhale. Exhale 5. Remember to keep your weight in your heels. And inhale. Exhale for 6. And close your chi. And we're going to go ahead and sync our chi, which means bring everything down into our center. We'll do it 2 times. The first time with our feet hip width apart, and the next time with our feet together. So inhale, bring the arms to shoulder height. From there, continue inhaling while you bring your hands up and over, and then exhale as you bring your hands down and through. Step the feet together. Inhale, arms up to shoulder height. Continue inhaling as you bring your hands up and over, and then exhale as you press your hands down. Bring your hands to the area called the lower dantian behind the belly button, and just breathe softly. And have a beautiful evening.